You can't even rule out some thunder snow in some spots, but it's a beautiful night out there right now. The clouds are rolling in. There's a couple sprinkles out in western Iowa, so I can't rule out a sprinkle for the evening, but the majority of the rain will wait until well after midnight. It's 65 degrees, warmed up nicely. Humidity 21%. Drake relays tonight. Cloud cover 60s. Notice the wind settles down. Temperatures do cool down in the 50s, but it looks to generally be a dry night. Again, a sprinkler or two. Tomorrow I look for some wet weather, especially early. It will taper as the day goes along. What you will notice is once the winds shift, they're going to get very strong. This is sustained at 26 miles an hour. I think there'll be some gusts probably around 38 miles an hour, and that to the north along with snow is going to cause some travel problems. Winter weather advisories from Kossuth County wrapping into Waterloo, this area in pink, Mason City, southern Minnesota, back and through southwestern Wisconsin is a winter storm warning from 7 a.m. through 7 p.m. Now, these are just cloud elements and sprinkles to the west. This is not the main part of the system. That is out to the west, and it's developing. What it will do is move over the Rockies and then just kind of intensify and slide almost right over the metro, the area of low pressure. And as this moves on through, there'll be a narrow area of some very heavy snowfall, strong winds on the backside. High pressure will build in Saturday night and should keep us dry most of Saturday night and for most of Sunday out there. Here we go hour by hour. There's the sprinkles moving through, but dry overnight. Rain early tomorrow. That's when it'll be most intense here in the metro. You'll see that snow develop. We'll still have some rain around 11 a.m., but then the system will pivot, pull out. Snow mainly north of Interstate 80, pushing into Wisconsin. We dry out. Sunday clouds increase. It looks like Sunday night some more rain pushing on in, and then that'll move out, and we should be dry as we head into Monday morning. This is a lot of rain with this system. Look to the north, over in Spencer, Algona, Mason City, Waterloo, Dubuque. Now, obviously, some of this probably will fall in the form of snow, but the moisture is in place, considerably lesser amounts as you move into the metro, but over a ½ inch in Ames, maybe 3/10 in Ottumwa. Snowfall amounts, and this is so much dependent on the temperature out there, but I think there'll be a band of 4 to 6, maybe even more inches of snow from northern Illinois, southwestern Wisconsin, northeastern Iowa, and up and through southern Minnesota and extreme northern Iowa. This is the wind at 7 a.m., 30 miles an hour the gust. Watch what happens. There's the area of low pressure, by the way. Look at it, moves right over the metro. We get northeast winds 42. I think the strongest winds will be in western and southwestern Iowa. Could get a gust near 50, and then at 7 p.m. winds gusting into the 30s. So a few evening sprinkles, rain holding off until very late, 46 degrees. Heaviest rain on Saturday early, tapers as the day goes along. Very strong winds out there. Temperature 53 degrees. The strongest winds will be in the afternoon, but it'll be windy all day long. Should dry out Sunday. Rain chance Sunday night, early Monday morning. On and off wet weather early next week, and then we should dry out to finish out your 8 day.